Today, I have 17 words that will test your English skills. If you know all of them, congratulations, you are an English vocabulary superstar. Hello everyone, welcome to Advanced English with Maya, where I share fun and practical tips to help you learn English and improve your language skills in no time. So here how it's gonna work. I'll present a word, give you 3 possible meanings, and your job is to choose the correct one. You'll need to think fast because you'll have only 5 seconds to match the word with its meaning. We'll start with advanced words and then move to the mastery level. Are you ready? Let's do it. Pragmatic. Does it mean unrealistic and idealistic? Dealing with things sensibly and realistically? Easily influenced by others? Pragmatic means dealing with things sensibly and realistically.
We need to be pragmatic.
Worry about appearances later.
Savvy. Does it mean smart and practical, knowing how to handle situations? Easily confused? Overly emotional? Savvy means smart and practical, knowing how to handle situations.
Did you dream about becoming a savvy investor one day?
Resilient. Does it mean fragile and easily broken? Able to recover quickly from difficulties? Quick to judge others? Resilient means able to recover quickly from difficulties.
People are really quite resilient.
Candid. Does it mean honest and straightforward? Secretive and dishonest? Or overly complicated? Candid means honest and straightforward.
You'd be more candid at a Starbucks? Really?
Mitigate. Does it mean to make less severe, serious, or painful? To exaggerate a problem? Or to ignore a difficult situation? Mitigate means to make less severe, serious, or painful.
Looking to mitigate your downsides.
Articulate. Does it mean to express thoughts and ideas clearly? To speak in a confusing way? Or to avoid communication? Articulate means to express thoughts and ideas clearly.
It explains me, it really articulates me.
Scrutinize. Does it mean to ignore small details? To quickly glance at something? Or to examine or inspect closely and carefully? Scrutinize means to examine or inspect closely and carefully.
What are we supposed to do? Scrutinize every little thing?
Quirky. Does it mean slightly strange or unusual in an interesting way? Completely normal and ordinary? Or overly complicated? Quirky means slightly strange or unusual in an interesting way.
He's a funny kid, quirky.
Implicate. Does it mean to exclude someone from blame? To show involvement or connection, often in something negative? Or to simplify a problem? Implicate means to show involvement or connection, often in something negative.
You involved me. You implicated me.
Quintessential. Does it mean the most typical or perfect example of something? An unusual or rare occurrence? Or something incomplete or flawed? Quintessential means the most typical or perfect example of something.
My dear, you have such a gaze upon the quintessential frontier type.
Substantive. Does it mean lighthearted and humorous? Having a solid or significant basis? Or unimportant and trivial? Substantive means having a solid or significant basis.
I asked them repeatedly, and they had no substantive answer.
Nuanced. Does it mean characterized by subtle shades of meaning or expression? Completely obvious and straightforward? Or lacking detail or precision? Nuanced means characterized by subtle shades of meaning or expression.
I think it's very nuanced.
Extrapolate. Does it mean to disregard existing information? To limit the scope of an idea? Or to extend a method or conclusion to an unknown situation? Extrapolate means to extend a method or conclusion to an unknown situation.
The computer can extrapolate and reconstruct the rest of the face, sir.
Juxtapose. Does it mean to place side by side for comparison or contrast? To combine things without comparison? Or to ignore differences entirely? Juxtapose means to place side by side for comparison or contrast.
This violence juxtaposed to music.
Ambivalent. Does it mean having mixed feelings or contradictory ideas? Being completely indifferent or uninterested? Or strongly agreeing with something? Ambivalent means having mixed feelings or contradictory ideas.
At this moment, my feelings for you are ambivalent.
Bamboozled. Does it mean sharp, straightforward, or confused? Bamboozled means confused.
Like bamboozling people, do ya?
Tenacious. Does it mean easily giving up, holding firmly to something, being undecided? Tenacious means holding firmly to something.
You're tenacious, you're strong.
So, how did you do? Let me know your score in the comments. And remember, the fact you are here learning shows your commitment to improving your English that is eventually going to pay off. And that's what really matters. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more English learning content. See you in the next video.